Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. How you doing? Sorry about the wind noise. It's your faithful and loyal Calgary Rambler coming to you from Shaw GMC. Now, as I said in my earlier video today, I'm here shooting the new vehicles, and right in front of me, I'm looking at a Duramax powered 2019 Chev Silverado, complete with full 8-inch lift. Beautiful, beautiful rims. Oh, these are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And open country Toyo tires. As mentioned, Z71. And this thing's phenomenal, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that son of a gun. Woohoo! Wow, what a beast. You got your 8.5-inch screen, full buckets with full console. Leather, of course. Beautiful back area. Just gorgeous. Now, stock, this vehicle sells in at $87,000 for this beautiful 2019 Silverado LTZ 2500 through 4-wheel drive with the beautiful Duramax 6.6 liter powertrain. Full, pardon me, I got a cold going on here. Full automatic transmission. And oh man, look at that lift. Now, those of you who heard me talk in previous videos about competitor vehicles and their situation, this also applies to this. And it can work. Look at that. They even line the box. Oh, wow. You know where this truck's coming from. Oh, yeah. Let's go around this side. Beautiful mud flaps. Black tailgate. Look at that. Pipe coming out that rear. Oh my gosh. You know it's a diesel when, right? Right. Look at that. Woohoo! Oh, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, let's come on this side. Oh yeah. Your full screen, overhead, there we go, I think I got a little bit of it there. Sunroof, pull-out mirrors. What are these? RBP rims. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And what are we at here? Size. Oh my gosh, 37s, ladies and gentlemen, 37s on a 10-inch lift. Oh. And you got your driving lights, got the big snorkel in the front. No, that's not custom, that's factory. Gee whiz. So, I'm not sure what the final pricing category is on this, but do pop in to www.shawgmc.com here in beautiful Calgary, Alberta on the sunny Blackfoot Trail. Okay, you have a great day, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll be seeing you down the road.